Are you a fashion school student, or you're already a fashion designer, or even a boss of your own, but you still don't know how to cut and sew Iro and Buba? Then this video is definitely for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be taking you through the complete process of cutting and sewing Iro and Buba step by step. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. So the first thing, the material needed for this Iro and Buba is your 4 to 6 yards of Ankara or any material of your choice, then your tape roll, your scissors, a yard of bias for the neck taping, and your tape roll. So the first thing you should do is to take your fabric, measure 2 yards and 12 to 18 inches, depend on the size you are working with. Then after that, make sure you arrange it very well, make sure everything is in place. Then cut it out just exactly like this. Cut it out and fold it and keep it aside. We are done with the Iro in this video. We are done with the Iro or wrapper. Then take your remaining fabric and measure the length of your buba. Let's assume you are working, I'm working with 25. This 25, right? Then I fold it into 2 just exactly like this. You know our buba don't used to have opening at the shoulder side. Fold it into 2 just exactly the way you see me doing, like 26 in 2 places. Do you understand? 26 in 2 places. Then cut it out. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to do in this video. Fold like the 26, which is your buba length. Make sure you fold it into 2, like 26 multiplied by 2, it will give us like maybe around 52. Do you understand? Then cut it out just exactly like this. So this is the 26 in 2 places, like that. Do you understand? So then fold it just exactly the way you see me doing in this video. Fold it like so. We want to cut the buba here. Then input your body measurement. Like, let me assume that you want to cut the buba. Use the biggest part of your body to cut the buba. Like, I'm working with bust 45 divided by 4. It will give us 11.5 plus 2 inches. Plus 2 inches, it will give us 13.5. Then you add 0.5 sewing allowance into your own. Do you understand? Making 14. So here I already marked 14. So the next thing I'm doing in this video is to cut out the neck. So the neck too depend on the size of your client or you. So do you understand? So I'm working with 3.5 by 5 in this video. I'm working with 3.5 by 5. Then I already cut it out, trim out all the excesses, trim it out. Then we are done with the buba here. So I cross-checked my length and my body if everything is okay. Then I take the remaining parts that I cut from the body here, then fold it on top like that. Make sure you know the length of your buba too, and to get that you can just measure like your customer, like measure their back. After measuring their back, measure the place they want their buba to be, then minus the buba body, like the body from the length that you measure for the sleeve. And I don't know if you understand that part. Then cut it out and make sure you add 4 inches tapering allowance to the down side of the sleeve. You know our buba sleeve used, like the taping used to be very big, so add 4 to 5 inches to it for the taping. Then here we are done with the cutting of the Iro buba and the sleeve. Do we understand? Do we understand? So here is the remaining part. I want the Iro to have rope. So here I'm cutting the rope. So right now we are done with the cutting of the Iro or wrapper, the buba body, the sleeve, the rope for the wrapper. And let's move to the sewing part, which is the most interesting part in this video. Let's get right into it. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, follow, and share to friends. So welcome back everybody. So the first thing we are going to be doing in this section is to tape the the sleeve, like you already put a cut in the allowance that you add, then take it just exactly like this and tape it just exactly you see me doing in this video. Tape it, use like half inch to tape it just exactly like this. So after that you join the sleeve together, like you join it before you add the sleeve to the buba. Do you understand? Join it just exactly like this. Join it before you add it to the buba. We already join it here, then turn it over to the right side, then turn it to the right side. So here I already turned my own to the right side. So the next thing you should do is to take your buba body, like the body of your buba, and make sure you put a cut at the shoulder, like the upper part of the buba too, like the shoulder. Make sure you put a cut. That one way tell you where to join the bubas. Then the cuts on your sleeve too and the cut on the body too, place it together just exactly like this, then sew it downward. We are sewing one part in this video right now. Sew it downward, so and stop in this place. Sew it and stop in this place. So the next thing to do is to take the second, like the other part of the sleeve, and sew it to that first place too. Just sew it exactly like this. Sew it exactly like this and stop at that joining part. Make sure you don't sew past that joining part. So here we are done with the sewing of the sleeve. So after sewing, this is what you should have. Like after sewing it the way I sewed my own, this is what you should have. So the next thing is to place everything together and sew it. Here we are sewing the body and sew it just exactly like this. The sleeve is not inside the buba. The sleeve is not outside, it's not inside the buba. And for the side slits, you can use 4 inches, 5 inches for the slits. So here we are done. You can see that the buba, the sleeve is inside the buba. So here I was trying to turn my own. Can you see how neat my own is? This is how buba sleeve should be. Do you understand? Can you see it? I already gone ahead to add the second sleeve to it. Can you see that the sleeve is inside the body of the buba? So it will be after you you turned the buba to the right side, you will not have the sleeve outside. Can we see it? Where I was making this video, like I was not free at all, there was no space, but I just had to make this video for my people. So here I was folding the side, the down part. You can use like 1 inches for the folding. So can you see it? So I was folding it here. Can you see? Just do exactly what you see me doing in this video. Can you see how neat my own is? So make sure your own too is very, very neat, even more than this. Do we understand? Do we understand? Please don't forget to like this video, follow, comment, and share, and tell me any tutorial you want me to make in my next video. So in this place, I was trying to tape the neckline of our buba. Take a yard of bias, then just fold the starting line and sew it to the length, to the neck of your buba, just exactly the way you see me doing in this video. Just sew it exactly like this. Can we see what I'm doing? Just sew it exactly like this. Then cut out the remaining and sew it just exactly like so. You don't need to fold the end part of this or in that place, sha. So after that, the next thing is to hem the neckline. The next thing is for you to hem the neckline. Pass your thread into your needle, then just take it exactly the way you see me doing. Like, can you see what I was doing? So just do it just exactly like this. Like, make a knot at the starting line. Then I hope everybody know how to do or if we don't know it, I can make another video to show you proper way to hem the neck of your buba. Can we see what I'm doing? So can we see it? The thread is not really showing in the outer part of the buba. Can we see it? Can we see it? Can we see how neat my own is? Can we see? Yeah, I'm done. I'm already done with the hemming of the buba neck. So the next thing we should do is to tape the Iro tool. We are using 2 to 2.5 inches for the taping. So here I have 2.5 inches. So I'm using the 2 inches for the taping and the remaining half inch for the folding, like the small that I'm folding inside. You know, we cannot just tape it like that without folding this part that you see me doing. Then just do it exactly like that and sew it downward. Make sure you are using your tape rule to cross check to know if you are not maybe folding too much, or maybe the one that you are folding is too small. Do you understand? I hope you understand. Don't mind me. So just do exactly what you see me doing in this video. Just do it exactly like so. Just do it exactly like so. Then when you are done, just take it like this to close that place. To close that place up. So we are done with the taping. I think I will just, so the next thing you should do is to make sure you already sew your rope. Then sew the rope down exactly the way you see me doing. Just sew it down like that. Sew it down. So the next thing you should do is to just do it just exactly like this. I hope you understand. Actually, I was unable to film the ironing part of this tutorial, but right now you are done with the cutting and the showing of Iro and Buba. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, follow, drop a nice comment and share to friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.